Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today's Monday, which means another collaboration with Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. For this week's video, we have chosen to do a 3D mermaid's tail. So I have actually done this before, roughly about 2 years ago, sort of coming up to 2 years. Yeah, I will pop some pictures up on the screen now so you can see the two that I made. One of them's absolutely awful, and one of them I do quite like. The one with sort of the orangey sort of red tones, I did quite like that one. But yeah, this week we are creating mermaid's tails. I am actually filming this intro after I have already made my tail, and I'm not going to lie to you, I'm not 100% happy with it. I'm sort of regretting doing the black bit, you'll see. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys like the end results. Make sure you go over to Vicky's channel, Glitter Sparkle Nail Design, make sure you subscribe and go check out her mermaid tail. I really love the colour choice that she picked, it's really pretty, and yeah, she's done really well, so definitely make sure you go and check that out. But anyways, let's crack on and show you guys what I've done with my mermaid's tail. So much love everyone and enjoy. Bye!
Perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. Perfect, perfect.